And here is my peach tree. They're almost ready. I cover them with paper towels because the birds were getting at them, and this way they don't get close to them. So they are. I don't like the paper towels, I guess. There. This one's pretty much ready. I grew this peach tree from seeds, so I'm pretty happy. It's pretty good size and pretty good flavor. So this is the second year that it produces. It took about 3 years to produce, and I'm very happy with it. And I have some more over here. This is a white one. This is a white one. Let's see how. This one's ready. Some other one right there. And a yellow one right there. Let's try this one right here. It looks delicious. Let's see how. Let's see how good it tastes. Very juicy and very sweet. It's also a free stone. You can tell the flesh separates from the stone very easy. It looks like an Arctic Supreme peach, but this one was actually grown from seed, so it's a keeper. A lot of people think that grafted peaches do not grow from seed, but they do. Sometimes they don't grow true to seed, but most of them are pretty good. This one's, I would say, better than the ones at the grocery store. So I encourage you to try to germinate some seeds, and you will see the difference in the fruit that you get. Very good quality and organic is the best. I hope you like the video. If you like it, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe if you would like to see more videos like this of the fruit trees, plants, vegetables right here in California Zone 9 gardening. Thank you for watching, and I'll keep enjoying this delicious white peach from my garden. Thank you.